Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're going to stick with the feed and four for $20 meal deal things. So, what we got today is lemon pepper shrimp over long grain and wild rice. Sounds good to y'all? Let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, I'll start out here and I'll show you what we're going to be cooking with. This is our long grain and wild rice. This is the 90-second microwavable stuff. I got 2 packs of that. Got a pound of the deveined and cleaned shrimp. We got some lemon pepper seasoning there. And we got some minced garlic. So, just a few easy ingredients here. So, let me grab a pan and we'll start the cooking. Alright y'all, got our frying pan here. And we're just going to put a tablespoon or so of extra virgin olive oil in here. About that much. Don't need a whole lot. We're going to get that warming up on a medium-ish, high, medium, whatever temperature. We've got our garlic here. And you know y'all I like garlic, so we're gonna put a little extra garlic in there. Most people, about a tablespoon will be suffice, but like I said, I'm garlicky, so I like garlic. Alright, got that in there. I'm just gonna let that heat up, let that olive oil get fragrant. And while that's doing that, we're going to take a little break, and I'll bring y'all back when we're ready to move on to the next step. Alright y'all, we got that garlic all seasoned up there, and it's cooking nicely. I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit. That's really nice and fragrant. Now we're going to add our shrimp. Get them all put down in there. Alright. Put the lid back on and let them cook away. So while these are cooking, we're going to get that rice ready. Alright y'all, our shrimp's mostly cooked there. Get it tossed around there a little bit. Now we need to coat it with some of this lemon pepper. So we're going to give it a good shake in the lemon pepper here. Go ahead and season that oil and stuff up too a little bit. Make a mess of the top of your stove, you know, all the normal stuff. Alright, there's that. Now, originally the recipe said to cook this stuff and add it, you know, put the shrimp over top of it. Myself, I like just to dump it in and warm it up right there in the pan. Both bags. That way it picks up the lemon pepper flavoring and the shrimp flavor, you know. Break up the clumps because it is clumpy. Get that all tossed around there. Alright y'all, put the lid back on this, let her cook for a few minutes just while she warms up, and while that's doing that, we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, this has been warming up here for a few minutes. Pop the top on her and ooh, looks really good, y'all. Oh yeah. Yep, we are definitely done cooking. Turn that heat off. Y'all, that looks delicious. And the smell, whoo, man, I wish y'all were here. So, alright, let's get some of this served up here in a bowl. We'll get ready to do a little tasty test. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. Doesn't that look awesome? That looks awesome. So, alright, throw the lid back on here just for she doesn't get dried out. Alright, let's do a taste test, y'all. Alright, y'all, there you have it. We got the lemon pepper shrimp, long grain and wild rice. It's one of the meals for under 20 bucks. That lemon pepper is awesome. Shrimp tastes great. Rice is awesome. I like the rice. I use that rice all the time in all kinds of different dishes. So, alright. Meal of the day, or the drink beverage of the day. Got the old Sierra Mist going. Can't go wrong with Sierra Mist. So, alright y'all, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're enjoying this series for under 20 bucks. This meal here will easily feed 4 people. If you wanted to change it up a little bit, you could do the shrimp the same way. Just instead of adding the rice, cook you up some angel hair pasta or linguine. Linguine would be awesome with it. I've done that before. It's great. So, you know, it's awesome. So what can I say? I'm awesome. I'm awesome. It's awesome. You're awesome. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go down there in the comment section. Tell me you like it. Share it out to your friends. Help feed the algorithm for YouTube. You know, just watching doesn't really do it enough. The thumbs up help, but if you can share it out, tell your friends, tell them to come watch, that really helps. So, appreciate y'all, love y'all, and as always, bear appetit.